Hi everyone, Ruth Squires, RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name, we are not the same. I'm having a mega open house weekend, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and Sunday 12 to 4 in Citrus Hills. This is a spectacular pool home that is on the golf course, and it has been completely remodeled top to bottom in 2018. So really great property. You don't want to miss this one. It is almost across the street from the Citrus Hills Community Center, and this property comes with the coveted social membership, so you have access to all of the luxuries that life in the villages of Citrus Hills brings. So you won't want to miss this property. It is being professionally staged, and this weekend will be the unveiling of that staging. If you can't see the address behind me, it is 591 East Gilchrist Court, Hernando, Florida 34442. So I hope to see everybody there. Call me with any questions, 352-794-1426. Thank you.